Fans of the hit reality TV show 1000 LB Sisters have been following Amy Slaton's journey with a mix of concern, excitement, and curiosity. From her early days on the show struggling with her weight to her life-changing bariatric surgery in the emotional ups and downs that followed, Amy has always been open with her audience. In recent weeks, the focus has shifted from her personal health journey to her personal life, especially her relationship with fiancé Brian and the introduction of their new baby. Now, Amy is giving fans hints that there may be surprising updates in her romantic life that could catch everyone off guard. The announcement of a new baby is always a major life event, and Amy made the reveal in a series of heartfelt social media posts that immediately garnered thousands of comments and reactions. Fans were overjoyed to see her and Brian embracing parenthood, yet many were quick to notice subtle clues in her posts that suggested there may be more to the story. While Amy shared adorable snapshots of the baby and snippets of their daily life, she also included captions that hint at reflection and change. Phrases like, "Life takes you on unexpected paths," and "Sometimes the biggest surprises come when you least expect them," set tongues wagging across social media platforms. The couple's relationship has been under scrutiny ever since Amy and Brian went public with their engagement. Fans have witnessed the highs and lows of their bond, including moments of tenderness and episodes of tension. On screen and off screen, Amy has been vocal about the challenges she and Brian face, balancing personal goals, public attention, and now parenthood. The timing of this new baby, alongside Amy's hints at change, has sparked speculation that the couple may be navigating a significant transformation in their relationship. Experts on reality TV relationships note that the pressures of public scrutiny often intensify during major life events. The Slatons' journey has been extensively documented, giving viewer an intimate look at the couple's interactions and personalities. Amy's recent posts could reflect a natural evolution in their bond, signaling a deeper level of commitment or possibly new challenges that come with raising a child. The way she frames her updates suggests a combination of optimism and introspection, leaving fans wondering whether the shocking relationship update is something joyful or more complicated. Social media reactions to Amy's recent revelations have been a mix of excitement, curiosity, and cautious speculation. Followers immediately began dissecting every word and emoji in her posts. Comments range from congratulations on the new baby to theories about potential engagement changes, marriage plans, or even challenges the couple may be facing privately. Some fans speculate that Amy might be hinting at a major milestone in her relationship with Brian, such as moving in together permanently, addressing past conflicts, or taking steps toward a more serious commitment. Others suggest the update could be a candid look at the realities of balancing a public life with personal responsibilities, a theme the show has explored consistently. The timing of Amy's hints is also noteworthy. In recent months, viewers have expressed interest in seeing more of Amy's personal life beyond her health and weight loss journey. With her new baby entering the spotlight, there is an opportunity for the show to explore this next chapter, capturing the joys and challenges of parenting while navigating a high-profile relationship. Amy's posts suggest she is preparing fans for an upcoming storyline that may be both intimate and revealing, offering a fresh perspective on her life away from the scale. While speculation runs rampant online, insiders close to the couple have remained tight-lipped, emphasizing that Amy and Brian are focused on their family and personal well-being. The couple has reportedly expressed a desire to keep certain aspects of their relationship private, particularly in the early months of parenting. However, given the Slatons' history of sharing their lives with fans, it is likely that some elements of the shocking update will eventually be revealed, whether through social media, interviews, or future episodes of 1000 LB Sisters. The reaction from viewers also underscores the strong emotional connection fans have with the Slatons. Amy's openness has cultivated a community of followers who feel invested in her life and supportive of her milestones. Every update, whether about health, weight loss, or personal relationships, is dissected and celebrated, highlighting the impact of reality television in creating a shared narrative between stars and audiences. Amy's latest hints serve as a reminder that fans are eager not only for entertainment but also for authentic storytelling that mirrors real-life experiences, struggles, and triumphs. The shocking relationship update, Amy teased could also reflect broader changes in her life beyond romance. The responsibilities of parenthood, combined with the adjustments following her weight loss journey, may prompt shifts in priorities, lifestyle, and personal growth. Amy has consistently demonstrated resilience, humor, and vulnerability in navigating life's challenges, and fans are likely to see say qualities play out in how she approaches her relationship with Brian and her role as a mother. Industry analysts note that reality TV stars often leverage major life events to engage their audience and maintain relevance. Amy's strategic sharing of hints about her relationship ensures continued attention while allowing her to control the narrative. By teasing a significant update without giving away details, she creates anticipation and encourages fan engagement, keeping viewers invested in her story and the show's evolving storyline. This approach aligns with broader trends in reality television, where personal developments are both content and catalyst for audience interaction. Ultimately, Amy Slayton's recent post suggests that fans should prepare for a chapter that combines personal growth, family expansion, and relationship evolution. Whether the shocking update involves an engagement milestone, a deeper commitment, or insights into the complexities of parenthood, it is certain to generate conversation and interest across social media and entertainment platforms. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have grown accustomed to witnessing transformation, resilience, and candid storytelling, and Amy's latest revelations promise to deliver on all fronts. As Amy and Brian navigate this next phase, their journey reflects a universal theme: life is unpredictable, and relationships require adaptability, patience, and understanding. For viewers, the unfolding story offers both entertainment and relatability, as they witness the couple balancing love, family, and personal growth under the public eye. Amy's willingness to hint at developments without fully revealing them demonstrates her savvy in managing both personal privacy and fan engagement, ensuring that anticipation remains high for what comes next. In the coming weeks, fans can expect more glimpses into Amy and Brian's life with their new baby, with potential insights into the hinted relationship update. Whether this involves a milestone celebration, a candid reflection on challenges, or a joyous announcement, the attention surrounding Amy's posts highlights her continued relevance in the reality TV landscape. The intersection of family life, personal evolution, and public attention creates a compelling narrative that keeps viewers engaged and invested in the Slaytons' journey. For now, speculation continues, with fans eagerly discussing possible scenarios and expressing support for the couple. Amy Slayton's ability to captivate her audience with genuine updates, humor, and vulnerability ensures that any revelation, shocking or celebratory, will resonate widely. As 1000 LB Sisters continues to document the family's journey, Amy and Brian's evolving relationship, now intertwined with the joys and responsibilities of parenthood, promises to be a central storyline that draws attention and sparks conversation for months to come. Amy Slayton has always been a figure of inspiration, resilience, and authenticity. With her hints of a major relationship update amid the joy of a new baby, she continues to engage her fans while navigating the complexities of life in the public eye. Whatever the future holds for Amy and Brian, viewers can rest assured that the story will be compelling, emotional, and deeply human, reflecting the realities of love, family, and growth in the modern age. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.